Hi everybody, I'm just welcoming you to my first video on YouTube, and it's gonna be how to make a downhill parking. So normally in the test center, if you are with the examiner, he's gonna ask you to make a downhill parking or uphill parking, one of them. So in this video, we're gonna talk about how to make a quick downhill parking. So I'm gonna demonstrate that on the video for you to see everything. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to make a downhill parking. Downhill parking. Normally in the test, the examiner is gonna ask you to make a downhill parking. So as soon as he tells you to make a downhill parking, as you hit the road, quickly signal to the right. Move close to the curb, but don't hit the curb. Go close to the curb and make a complete stop. Put your gear into parking. Turn the signal off. Then turn the wheel all the way to the right. As you can see now, the car is in downhill parking mode. The wheel is all the way turned to the right, which means that our car is typically or genuinely in downhill mode. After you finish, the examiner is gonna tell you, let's go when it's safe to do so. As soon as it tells you, make sure you have turned the wheel all the way. So recover your wheel, signal to the left, check your blind spot, and keep going and follow his or her instruction. Thank you for watching my video.